If you have ever thought about making money online but felt confused about where to start, you are not alone. Most people want to build income online, but they don't know what actually works and what is just hype. There is too much information online. One video says, sell digital products. Another says do affiliate marketing. Another says build a personal brand. Most beginners end up jumping between ideas and never build something real. Doing everything alone can feel overwhelming. When I first came across this guided digital product program, what stood out was that it was not just theory. It focuses on showing how digital income is actually built step by step, using real systems and practical resources. Inside this program, you learn how digital product businesses actually work, how to create or sell digital products, and how to follow proven systems instead of guessing. You also get access to templates, tools, and resources that help simplify the process. The goal is to help beginners build structure and clarity instead of confusion. The biggest advantage is that you stop guessing and start following a clear path. Instead of trying random methods, you learn what actually matters and how to apply it step by step. This is not about quick money. It is for people who want to learn properly and build something real online over time. If you want to learn more about how this works, you can check the program using the link below.